guys, welcome back. Ron here once again. Today's daily reminder is a simple one, and that is, guys, to just let it go. Okay, let go. And what are you letting go of? You're letting go of your past emotional wounds, your past mistakes, guys. The point is to learn from them and move on, but don't let them hinder you from making progress. So when you see things setting up the way you like, when you see things ready to bounce or pull back, like in this example here, guys, if you see something like this where you're like, oh, okay, we're about to get a reversal, don't question yourself. If you believe that there's a reversal coming, go ahead and execute like you should. Don't hesitate to the point where you miss out and now you want to jump in at the bottom when it has finished doing its move. Okay, so that's all it is, guys. Don't let your past emotional wounds hinder your progress and keep moving forward. Let's go. Let's get it. Make that money.
More money, more money. Ah, it's all very exciting.